अभी आपको बराह रास्त मनाजिर दिखा रहे हैं। वज़ीर आज़म और तुर्क सदर रजब तैयब एर्दोगान पाकिस्तान तुर्किया बिजनेस फोरम में शिरकत कर रहे हैं। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ और तुर्क सदर रजब तैयब एर्दोगान।
Islamic Republic of Pakistan, honorable dignitaries, esteemed delegates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a great honor on behalf of the Ministry of Commerce, Government of Pakistan, to welcome you all to the Pakistan-Turkey Business Forum. We are gathered here today to celebrate the enduring legacy of friendship, trust, and economic cooperation that unites Pakistan and Turkey. This forum is a testament to our shared vision of deepening trade and investment ties, exploring new economic frontiers, and unlocking the immense potential of our partnership. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my absolute honor to welcome His Excellency Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, to share his vision regarding the progressive partnership of the two nations. His Excellency, the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Honorable Ministers, distinguished delegates, business leaders from Turkey and Pakistan, parliamentarians, federal ministers, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long day, and we had various events from morning till now. And all through these meetings, we were discussing not only how to further strengthen our brotherly relations, which are unique for more than one reason. Pakistan and Turkey are brothers, friends, and our history of brotherhood goes to era of pre-partition. There was a time when Muslims of the subcontinent were offering everything, ladies, women, their bangles, men, whatever cash they had, to support war of independence in Turkey. And little did our forefathers know that in return, our brothers and sisters in Turkey will reciprocate their genuine and sincere support towards their war of independence in a manner beyond imagination. And today, under the dynamic leadership of President Tayyip Erdogan, Turkey has been completely transformed. Its economy, a vibrant economy, most modern technology, at par with European standards. Not only that, President Tayyip Erdogan, his voice is the voice of the Ummah. He speaks for the oppressed people of Gaza, Palestine, and Kashmir with fullest force at his command. And of course, Pakistan has always joined its voice with his voice for the freedom of the people of Gaza and Kashmir. Under the leadership of President Tayyip Erdogan and Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, that was the era when investment and trade touched a very high point in our history of friendship and brotherhood. Ladies and gentlemen, today I see in front of me chairmen and presidents of business houses, chambers, traders, investors, entrepreneurs. We had committed that together we will achieve a target of $5 billion volume of trade, bilateral trade, but unfortunately, it is still a long way to go. Today we signed various MOUs and agreements, but the more important point is that we have to now convert them from paper to action. And in that, I am fully committed to support all your efforts, whether it's B2B or G2G. And I want to assure my Turkish investors and businessmen that, like in the past, or more than ever before, I will be there and my team will be there to assist you and facilitate you to invest in Pakistan or import from Pakistan, export to Pakistan. And for this, I will act as a Chief Executive Officer of Pakistan as far as Turkish businessmen are concerned. Before I conclude, because my very dear brother, President Tayyip Erdogan, will address us and give his pearls of wisdom as to how to further forge our brotherly relations, I want to once again sincerely regret whatever inconvenience was caused to you for whatever reason in the past, without going into any kind of political point scoring. Suffice it to say that some of our Turkish businessmen who came to Pakistan with great sense of commitment, and they were absolutely committed to invest in Pakistan, they did that investment, and Pakistan benefited, both sides benefited, but in the end of the day, some of them, and it shall not happen ever again. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your second home, Pakistan. Here is a great leader, not only of Turkey, but of Islamic world, and we are very proud of his leadership, his qualities, and inshallah, together, we will work harder to make Pakistan and Turkish friendship, our fraternal bond, like two souls and one heart. Pakistan Turkey friendship Zindabad. Thank you very much. Tashakkur ederim.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।